fixing it? Are you going to come
That's
back
an
and
assumption
cause some
again.
kind of-
Stop making up stories.
This
You're
is-
assuming
your
things.
behavior
No, behavior's
odd.
not a law. You're not a feelings officer.
Hello YouTube. On today's episode of KYR News, we are covering a video from the YouTube channel Rise in the Falls. Please take a moment and head over their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. This video takes place in Canada, and just like America has the First Amendment, Canada has a Charter of Rights, Section 2B, which covers filming in public, and it is allowed in Canada. Well, this auditor is at a police station, and tyrants and fillings police come out full force on this auditor, threatening him with trespassing and arrest. Now, let's check out this video and see how it plays out.
See, it's locked. Why is it locked? As a taxpayer, this should be able to, anyone from the public should be able to walk in and enter into this place. And why, I don't know. And it's the Smith Falls Police Department. What is the problem? But maybe all you YouTubers out there might want to inquire yourself. Why? For filming in public. They've threatened me multiple times. They said they'd arrest me. And this is a Charter of Rights. I'm telling you people, if you do not stand up and exercise your rights, you're going to lose them. Now, this type of behavior, I've been warned and threatened to be arrested for this type of behavior. And this behavior is called exercising your Charter of Rights, Section 2B. How can that behavior be deemed criminal? Or when people phone the police and say, somebody's filming, the police must ask, are you in public? If you're in public, you cannot expect privacy in public. But they don't. They immediately want to docket it, to generate another call, to justify the existence of the department and its budget, to get them to do their job properly, honestly, and stop being tyrants. You have no control over anybody.
Sir, if we can't help you with anything, get off the property.
Are you reporting something? I'm the officer that provided you with the complaint forms yesterday.
Would you like to identify yourself, ma'am?
I'm Sergeant Wilson. Who are you?
And what's your badge number?
33. Who are you? You came here.
I don't answer questions.
Well, then why are you here?
I don't answer questions.
So you videotaping the police station is disturbing. There's no reason for it. You have ill intent toward the station, towards the officers. Your behavior is...
Listen to her making up all kinds of accusations and stories. Where does she get up with this? Like, did someone file a complaint? Did someone say this? Her observation is someone outside doing a Charter of Rights protected activity, Section 2B.
You're casing a police station.
That's your assumption.
I don't know.
Your assumption. Doesn't matter. You don't need to know anything.
Need to help you?
What's the point of station? We want to make sure you're okay.
That's none of your business. I'm on a public street. As you can see here, there's no parking. This is a public building. Is there any trespassing signs up here? No, there's not. Is the lobby open, ma'am? Can I get any forms in there?
You got a form yesterday? You need help?
Oh, well, maybe I need to do a records request. I should be able to walk in the lobby without you guys accosting me outside here on a public street now. Dreaming up stories, making up stories. Do you guys got body cams? Are they on? Because I'd like to request them too. Well, this is why we film, okay? Now you're catching on to the program. Taxpayer. I'm a taxpayer, okay? And I can, it's none of your business, anything about me. You got to understand that, ma'am. It's none of your business. That's your assumption. Once again, you think I'm casing something, I'm going to steal something. You make up stuff. I'm a law-abiding citizen, and I am exercising my Canadian Charter of Rights. Filming in public.
What can we help you?
I didn't ask for help. You come out here.
We drove all.
Threatened to trespass me from public property. I haven't broken a law.
You've got no reason to be here right now. None.
Your assumption again. I do have a reason.
You won't communicate with me.
I don't have to. Here we are again, Smith Falls. Coming out, thinking they got a badge and a gun, and they're going to tell people what to do. Law-abiding citizens. There's the walk of shame. Oh no, she's not going to let go of her ego yet.
Are you videotaping?
She's not gonna-
I'll tell you something right now. If you're not here for any purpose that requires police,
Ma'am,
come back.
learn the law, okay? You want to arrest me? Go ahead.
Verbally
Welcome. You're more than welcome.
trespassed from
Go
this
ahead.
property. Unless you need assistance.
Qualified immunity.
You can call for assistance. You don't
No,
need
I can go in the lobby. I can do whatever I want here. I'm a public citizen. So stop trying to run me, okay? You have no authority over me.
Come back.
Until I break the law. Right now, I'm your boss, okay? I'm the taxpayer. I am the public. And once you start to realize that, look at her shaking her head. She doesn't realize I'm the boss. When I break the law, then you have authority over me.
Station. You don't
Until
need to
then,
come back.
protect and serve, okay? You're a public servant.
We'll get you your document.
Didn't ask for anything.
We'll get you your trespass document.
Well, you get my trespass. You go ahead. Here they are. They're going to trespass me. I'm on a street. They're going to trespass me from a public place. Have I have I broken a law? No, I have not. And they're going to trespass me. So we're just going to wait here and let them trespass me.
You want this in your hand?
It's just a trespass notice.
You can't trespass someone from public. What's your wrath on this?
So,
I'm on a street too, so you're
Well,
coming
do you
up to
want this or not?
trespass me.
do you want this or not?
What is it, ma'am?
Being trespassed from the police station, you can call if you need assistance. There's no need for you to attend. If it's an emergency, 911, you can call.
That's
the
not your
station.
choice. What law is that I can't attend here?
So I'm trespassing you right now. You have
For
no
what?
reason to be here.
What law did
Your
I break?
Behavior is nonsensical.
Behavior's not a
You don't
law, is it?
understand.
Is
You have
behavior a
not
law?
asked for any assistance
What law is it?
whatsoever. If you need anything, we'll mail it
What
to
law
you.
is it? You're trespassing me
It's
from
under the
public
Trespassed
property.
Act. Yep.
What law did I
It's
break?
not. It's actually a private
What law?
building.
It's not private. It's tax fund money that goes here, ma'am.
And we can
Come on, you
trespass
can't. You're
people
sounding
who
really
feel-
stupid now. Make your department look good.
We can
When we
feel-
ask you to leave and you don't leave,
No.
that's trespassing.
When you ask, is this a lawful order?
Yes, it is.
Is it? It's a lawful order, is it?
Absolutely.
What crime did I commit?
Right now, you're videotaping a police station for absolutely no
Videotaping.
reason. Phone taping, whatever. you
It's
wanna call it.
protected by the Charter of Rights, ma'am, Section
That's fine.
2B. Do you understand that?
For
Do
what
you
reason?
understand you're allowed to videotape?
But why do you need it?
What about the dash cam?
Are you casing it? Are you going to come
That's
back
an
and
assumption
cause some
again.
kind of-
Stop making up stories.
This
You're
is-
assuming
your
things.
Behavior
You
is
no, behavior's
odd.
not a law. You're not a feelings officer. Okay?
Not
You're a
about your
law
feelings.
enforcement. And this is the
If
problem. You need to
assistance from-
do
you want this or
law.
not? Take this. You don't want to. Okay, you want
Don't
to act like a
stay
child.
back 6 feet.
Okay.
If you could just talk to us, just tell us why you're so angry.
Why do you want to violate my rights some more?
No, I just don't know what's wrong.
Look at her going over to somebody's car over there. She's gonna put something on the car.
So you understand that
You shouldn't be touching private property.
Trespass now, sir. You understand? You understand your trespass now?
Sir,
Yes.
what crime did I commit?
Trespassing.
What crime did I commit? I'm on a public street. Look at folks, we're here in Smith Falls, Ontario, on a public street being trespassed
People that
from a
come
police
into this
department.
building, we've got employees inside. Your
Is
behavior
everybody having feelings
disgusting.
problems in there?
Yeah.
Yes, they're having feelings. Stick to the law, ma'am.
Because of your behavior.
Behavior is not law, is it?
Okay, we're
Is
done.
behavior? Yeah, we're done. Walk of shame. Bye. Go back in. They know nothing about the law. They just want to be feelings officers.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and head over to Rise in the Falls YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until the next episode of KYR News, stay safe out there.